Now, let's look at the matching task. You may need to do this type of question in any of the 4 sections of the IELTS listening test. In this task, you're given a list of options and a list of questions. You have to match the options to the questions. Each of the options has a letter, so you write a letter, such as A, B or C, next to each question. Now, it's important to check the instructions because you may not need to use some letters, while other letters may be used more than once. Now, I'll show you how to do this task. Let's look at an example of a matching task. Here's a matching task. In the preparation time, you need to read the task to find out the topic, what the task covers and what the keywords are. So, as you can see, here are the options A to G. These are all features of hotels. And here are the names of different hotels. They're numbered 1 to 5. Here's the question. What does the travel agent say about the hotels? So while you listen, you'll listen for what the speaker says about each hotel. The questions are in this order. So Hotel Mayfair will be the first one you hear about. While you listen, look at the options and think of how they may be paraphrased. That is, how they might be said in a different way with the same meaning. For example, instead of large rooms, the speaker might say that the rooms are spacious. Consider that the speaker might mention other options but rule them out so that they're not correct. For example, they might say that the hotel doesn't have a view of the sea. So C here would be wrong. The most important of the steps I've just described is to look at the options as you are listening. This will make it easier to match them to the question numbers. Now, take some time to read over a summary of these tips.